Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to be showing you how to replace glow plugs on a Passat B6 2-litre TDI. So I think this video can be probably used for all the 2-litre TDI engines that are in the VAG group because I think they're pretty similar. So yeah, stay tuned. So we've just pulled up this whole wiring out of the case to allow to take these out, but we've noticed two of them, cylinder 1 and 4, actually the plastic bit that goes over that filament there was loose, or maybe it was broken, or maybe we broke it, but we got it out with just the nose pliers, long nose pliers. We're just pouring some down there to make sure that it can penetrate through the dirt, because it seems very dirty, so it's easier to take apart. Yeah. Just clean these. Just needs some love, this engine. Look at the state of it, look at the sand, there's fucking sand on it. So these are the glow plugs we got, they're by Denso. We got whatever because it's for the daily car, but should do the job. We got them in Southside Manufacturers. We're just going to use a magnet to take them out. So since the last owner has over tightened those because we could barely get them off, or maybe it was the dirt, but we did leave them in WD-40, we're going to torque the new ones to 10 to 15 Newton meters. That's what it says here. So let's go in the middle, like 12. that's a wrap. That's how you change glow plugs on a Passat 6 2-litre TDI. This is probably related to Skodas and Audis as well that are 2-litre TDI. It can't be far off it anyway. So just primed it there. I started it, starts good. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Do you know what I'm meant to be doing here, Joseph? Gia, can you help me with this clip? I can't get it off. Fucking road sightings. Joey, get off. Joey, where the fuck are you going? Joey!
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, look at him.
Joey, if this was the one series, I'd kill you. Are you joking me? Are you actually joking me, Joey? That's nice, isn't it? You can stay there because I don't care about this car. You're lucky.